Okay, now let's go to the next question. This is still from Alan Sancon of Stars Photog. Any dream collaborations, especially sa mga new generation of artists now?
Dream collaboration. From the moment I saw them perform, gusto ko talaga yung Ben and Ben. Yeah, Ben and Ben. Oo.
Na-meet niyo na po ba ang Ben and Ben ever?
Na-meet ko na siya sa airport. Once. Isa sa Twins.
Okay. Nabanggit niyo ba na, oh,
Hindi ko alam kung sino siya doon.
Paolo or Miguel, yes.
Parang si Paolo yata, yung
Okay.
na-meet ko. Yun. Siguro Ben and Ben.
Oh, okay, okay. Now, next question tayo. This is from Pulp Magazine at nandito po siya ngayon. Yes, Nyaela Soliman? Nayela Soliman.
Hi po, congrats po sa album.
Thank you!
You're a soulful diva. Yeah, and alam natin na mahal ng Filipinos yung mga songs mo, lalo na masyadong emotional. And tanong ko lang po if, how do you balance technical precision with emotional expression when you perform po?
Kasi, di ba, singers, para rin kaming actors, di ba? So when we sing songs, we put ourselves in someone else's shoes. And ang singers din, parang we're very emotional. And parang sobra tayong attached dun sa ating emosyon. Na, I guess, hindi ko rin alam kung paano ko siya ginagawa. Basta whenever I would sing, I would imagine things na parang this is happening to me. And then I'd sing it. Like yung konti na lang ko na experience. Yun eh. Pero bakit siya ko nararamdaman? Parang, I guess, seeing a lot of people, yung parang nakakita ng going through different range of emotions, ganyan, aware ako masyado and masyado akong attached. It's not really, hindi ko alam, it's not hard from, yung nahira, I don't know.
Queen things na naman, queen things.
I just sing and I put my heart on every song. That's it. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Nayela Soliman of Pulp Magazine. Okay. For sure, you act out yung mga songs kasi tulad nung kahit kayo pa rin, mahirap naman yung makarelate ka talaga doon. Talagang kailangan i-act out. Okay, ito naman, next question natin is from Jay of Certified Kapamilya. Ako po ang magbabasa ng question niya. Okay, your album's title is Next Episode, kaya na-curious po ako. Which song in the album best represents where you are in life right now and why?
Siguro yung Back to Bliss. Kasi nandun ako dun sa journey of surrender back to Him. And like, I always, when I was talking to Jonathan about this song, sabi ko, hindi ako sure masyado if they will embrace this song kasi siya gospel. But like when we wrote this, parang I have this thought in my head na parang sabi ko, if we could just inspire one person with this song, that's good enough for me. Sabi ko, so it's okay, let's release this song. I just need that one person. You can save someone's life, but have you ever heard of someone being saved because of one song? I wanted to have that effect on someone, kahit isa lang. So siguro that's where I'm at right now. Hindi ako masyadong tumitingin sa numbers and like how many have listened to my songs ever since kasi hindi naman talaga ako yung super well received. I never felt like nandun ako sa phase na where you're fully embraced and so and this song parang in-erase niya lahat ng those feelings na you only need Him in your life and that's enough. So, nandun ako sa Back to Bliss. That's where I'm at.
Hindi nyo man
It fully represents the way I feel like in this season of my life. Yeah.
Well, hindi nyo man ma-feel na kayo yung fully in-embrace ng mga tao or nagkaroon kayo ng ganong phase. I think that's because ginapang nyo nga kasi itong genre na to dito sa Pilipinas. Kayo yung nag-pave ng way ba sa iba pang mga R&B artists, especially the female ones, the female Filipinas. So I think that in itself is a big feat na, a big triumph. Diba? Okay. Ngayon, queen. Kaya kayo naging queen of R&B. Okay, now, let's talk about the concert! Yes! So, aside from the album, which is dropping this midnight, meron nga rin po tayong concert. At yan po ang tanong nitong ating last na magtatanong, si Sir J of Certified Kapamilya. Okay, ang tanong niya ay, if you could describe this concert in 3 words, what would they be?
Ang hirap talaga na dinidescribe ang isang bagay.
This concert,
Opo, 3 words daw.
okay. Kasi baka mas feel ko, no? Ano yung line-up eh, pag sinabi ko eh. Yung title ng concert is Soundscape, diba? So yun, that's one of the... It's a Kyla Soundscape.
Ooh.
It's a Kyla Soundscape. S- it's, because, okay, challenging, I could say. I never realized until just a few weeks back how hard my songs are. Ang hirap pala nilang kantahin. Ang challenging pala. Yun, challenging. And then, the third, it's gonna be a fun night for everyone. It's gonna be an amazing night for everyone. And hopefully, maramdaman nila yung heart ko when I celebrate my 25 years in the music industry. Yan.
Challenging, fun, heartfelt. Yes, okay. Thank you. So, yun yung tanong po niya. Pero ngayon, let's talk more about the concert. What else do you want to tell us about it? Meron ba kami nga abangan?
Yes.
Yes.
Basta, so the Kyla Soundscape, this is going to be on October 18 sa the Samsung Performing Arts Theater. And then yung guests ko,
Parang hindi pa
muna daw
nare-release.
saglit. Okay. Basta, surprise yung mga guests. And, ayun. But they can get the tickets sa ticketworld.com.ph. It's gonna be a really nice, good, you'll be hearing me sing talaga all those challenging songs sa October 18. Ayun lang masasabi ko. All the hits and all those hard songs to sing.
And it's gonna be directed by...
Directed by John Prats and yung musical director namin ay si Jem Florendo.
Yes, and produced by Cornerstone Concerts.
That's correct.
There you go. Okay, so before we end our Q&A, anyone wants to ask more? If not, we will ask for the final message na of Miss Kyla and last time to promote our album and concert. Go ahead.
Yes, tonight at 12 a.m. will be the album release. You can stream this on all digital platforms. Thank you for filling the words. All digital platforms at 12 a.m. Mamaya, this midnight. Yeah, midnight, 12 a.m. Next episode under Star Music Philippines. Thank you so much, Jonathan Manalo, for producing this beautiful album. And thank you, everyone, for being here with me today. I appreciate you and thank you for your time. I'll see you at my concert, October 18, at the Samsung Performing Arts Theater. I hope to see you all there. Yeah, I hope to see you all there. Thank you in advance for all your support. Oh, meron palang physical copies ng album ko. Very soon. Vinyl din. Very soon. So yan, abangan niyo po yan. Thank you so much. Of course, we would like to thank all the people who have worked behind this event and album. ABS-CBN head, Mr. Rox Likigan, ABS-CBN Music's AVP and overall head of creatives, content, and operations, the Mr. Music, Jonathan Manalo, I love you, I love you. Star Music's label head, Miss Andy Arellano. Our music marketing and promo lead, Franz Garcia, promo, and thank you. Music marketing specialist, De Michele Daguna. Ay, parang Italian siya. De Michele. At prom specialist, Mariel Crispino. Social media lead, Loris Diaz. Multimedia producer, Alistair Samson. ABS-CBN corporate communications head, Kane Choa. Aaron Domingo, Cheryl Baltazar, Roel Regalado. Cornerstone President, Kuya Erickson Raimundo. Cornerstone Vice President, Kuya Jeff Vadillo. Assistant Vice President for Production, Ate Cynthia Roque, thank you. AVP for Music.